Hakini kikini sengi ke beradab, kawai ke video kalau long viral dan dikala safliang ke social media, ke bapen i ke Jingtih Dewiong ke jalam di Khnai. Bahkan di ke video ke pen i bukan kompeti kalau kompeti ke Liew Khnai ke menjudan hakini ke jalan. Shu kan di ke video ke ba amtip kan di ke Jingtih Dewiong ke dekai ke jaka, di ke pauru akan di ke video ke ke betul ajan cakap di ke keram Dewiong, mana pen i bukan di ke kalau jengut dan ki bentaru. Bahkan di ke kalong kemalong sarang nama ke tentu Dewiong siakan di ke wa lesi. Lah 48 penting kena ia akan dika video ke di mendu atau kadang dia hadiah malakang ke NGT ni ke dika pada sanction penban kadon ke jingling ke babon ki pat ba nang song jika dika jelak ham tam ke baju blien ban im ke kamti Dewiong ya ke jing Slem Palat ke sarkar ban penmana ya kata ke scientific mining ni ke Jingtih Dewiong kat kum ke jing start jong ke sang ke juk ke mamta ke balai nak jing jabo juk ke mariang buat kumju ke jing lain nak ke bawanra ya ke jing jabo jong ke mariang buat kilum kiwa kumju. Nak kaliang jong umti rang ba dang syanai bahkan pila patai kobor ula ong bahkan ni kajing thaula thaulenti banwanra dekat scientific mining kamdi te kam jong ka sokar jella ni ka diru jong ka sokar Bteng bal ong don sibun ba ki kendon ye ka badi ban pendap bat kamdi ka besuk pala ban thau lan pen ong lang ye ka ni ka scientific mining ha ka por ka balungkot ni wala ka tarun dak jong ka sokar engkat ka jatrelang ba ka sokar Bteng ha Bteng ki jing patha ba ka jing aibor jong ka bor jong ka bisar kanyela kan bana ban pen ulong no ye ka jing Jingtih Dewiong kabam desu kat kum kajuk kum mendai yang dekat longkat kum kajuk juga dekat kajuk kabam mentalan di kata scientific mining
will be based on rules, procedures that have been laid down by Government of India and by state government, and hence everything will be based on procedures. So therefore, I don't have technical details of what the procedures will be, but as I said that it's not just Government of Meghalaya, it's Government of India also, Coal Ministry and different agencies of Government of India which are involved in the entire aspect of the scientific mining that is going to be there. And hence, if the concerned member needs details and all, you can always sit down and give the details to him. But the fact is that everybody has to do their homework. It's not a simple thing. The procedures are very, very tedious. That's the reason why it's taking so long. And all procedures, as I said, are laid down at the level of Government of India, their technical agencies and the state government agencies. So there are multiple layers that it will go through. So obviously there must be certain procedures that are followed. It cannot just be done arbitrarily.
Sir, is it only that?
See, there are procedures. When we say scientific, the word means scientific in the sense that there is a technical procedure. And the concerns in the beginning were the safety of the miners and the overall effect on the environment. These are the two main factors that are there. But as I said, there's a procedure, process, technical evaluation done by technical experts of Government of India's agencies, and hence it's a very tedious process. All factors that are there involved in the scientific process to be done in a manner in which it is safe for the environment and for the people, and other factors will all be taken. And ultimately, when the mining plans are clear, then ultimately it comes back to the state. After the state does some kind of environmental aspects and certain public hearings and all these things which are left, then the actual process will start. As I said, it's a very long procedure. I don't have all the steps in front of me right now, but as per the information that has been given to me, in few of the cases we are at the last stage of the public hearing. I expect very, very, very soon. Now the procedures at the Government of India level are clear. Now most of the procedures are local at the state government and the district level. I expect that should